the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this is yet another unit that I caught with my own coins. You guys know in these videos, I like to give myself a little shout out, okay? Shout out to you, Chrissy, for copping yet another unit with your own coins, girl. Shout out to you, boo. Okay, so the unit that I am wearing, now, honey, you guys watched the intro, so you seen that, honey, I got Sills Are Happy with this unit, but we'll get into that later, okay, girl? We'll get into that later. So the unit I am wearing is by Bobbi Boss. Oh God, you guys know I love to say Bobbi Boss. It makes me feel like I'm New York or something, honey, okay? I love it. So this unit is by Bobbi Boss. It is in the style MLF 3338. Josefa? Child, I hope I'm saying it right. It says shift to choose your parting position. So it says free position wig. So maybe that is that particular collection. Lace front, natural, full, and soft curls. Top quality cap, 3.5 lace part, hand knotted lace part. The color that I have this unit in is the color FS1B/30. And then on the back, it says once again, it's a free position wig, shift to choose your parting, soft line cap, flexible part styling, natural 3.5 lace part, adjustable secure band, 3 inner combs, and it says premium synthetic wig. It is heat safe up to... Child, I don't know. They just got on here high heat fiber, okay? So just be careful, girl, okay? Be careful. So this is what this unit looks like on the stock card. And I know you're like, girl, how do we go from that? Like, how we go from this to this? Like, we'll talk about it, though. We gonna talk about it. You guys know I'm not gonna just leave you just sitting there wondering. I got you, boo. Don't worry about it. Okay, so with this unit, as far as details and specs go, now this unit, in my opinion, is very, very tangly. Cynthia, shout out to you, boo, and shout out to Is That Your Hair? Recommended. Cynthia literally sent me a message like, girl, look, I know you're struggling with some of these wigs. Get this, and it's light silk spray. It's pure silicone spray, and it looks like this. So I went and copped it. So even though this unit is on the tangly side, honey, Is That Your Hair come through, boo? Because girl, you have changed the game, honey. Okay, so I bought that, and it really made it a lot more workable. Like, it's still some snags here and there, and I didn't want to go too crazy with it because it is a tightly curled unit, and I wanted to preserve the curls. But like I said, honey, boo, you came through with the come through. Okay, girl, you came through with the come through. So yeah, I used that spray, and it made it a lot more workable. But honey, with this unit, as long as it was, and honey, that was a lot of hair. Okay, that was a lot of hair. It made it a lot easier to work through with that spray. Now, as far as shedding, I didn't notice any shedding straight out of the packaging. You probably like, girl, I see hair everywhere, honey. That's because I decided to cut the hair after I was dressed. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. So that's why it looks like that. But as straight out of the packaging, I honestly did not notice any shedding, but I really wasn't trying to run my fingers through it a whole lot. Okay, so just be careful with it. Be wary of that. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as those details go. Now, if this unit is big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. I do wear an average couch size, and I did have to adjust the straps. And when it comes to certain units, or most units, if I have to adjust the straps, then I consider a unit to be big head friendly. If I don't have to adjust the straps and it just fits, or it's a little snug, I consider it small head friendly. But I am an average couch size, so honey, that's purely speculation. So do with that what you want to do with it, girl. Do with that what you want to do with it. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about this unit and the full 360 law, no telling what this unit looks like in the back now. But if you're interested in that, then please continue to watch. Hey y'all, so with this unit, I know some of you guys was watching this video and was like, girl, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Stop cutting. I had to cut it, y'all. It was just too much. I couldn't deal with it. It was literally getting on my nerves. I couldn't even do the video. That's how bad it was. I'm nobody's beautician. I always tell you guys that, and I am definitely not the best cutter on earth, okay, girl? I am just not. But y'all, this hair was driving me insane, and I like the curl pattern, and I just saw something else in my head, so I just went to chomping at it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this unit straight out of the packaging at the length that it was is just intolerable. It was really, really tangly, and it's just matted, and it was just a mess, honey. And when I was going through it, I was like, let me see, can I find any reviews? And if I'm not mistaken, I saw a review. I saw Miss Pretty Hustler do a video, and I didn't watch the video because I always like to have my own opinion. I feel like when you watch other videos, it can kind of, you know, make your opinion lean more towards there. So I always like to come in without watching the video, but I love to look at other people's thumbnails, okay? I'm a thumbnail stalker, okay? So I looked at it, and literally her video says, the title is, I couldn't even get a good thumbnail. Now, honey, I don't know what she's talking about because she's still beautiful in the thumbnail, okay? But to me, that described the wig. Girl, I didn't think I was going to even get a good thumbnail, honey. This a wig, it was just teamed too much. It's just a mess, honey. So I was like, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it, okay? And I'm going to see where it goes from here, because at this point, you know, it's not like I was doing this wig for a company. I spent my own money. If it comes out a mess, I'll get on here and tell you guys it was a mess, okay? It looks a mess. But honestly, y'all, I don't think I did too bad. Like, I don't think I did too shabby. Now, I don't know what the back looks like. I'm scared to even find out, and I'm still kind of just chomping in it. And every time I do this, Cynthia will be like, girl, stop. Stop. Should be in the comments, girl, stop. You where you need to be. And sometimes I can get a little silver happy, but I don't know what the back looks like, so it makes me a little wary. I haven't even gone out there to ask Reggie, because it's Sunday, so he's home. I could ask him what the back looks like. I could get this mirror and look, but y'all, I'm scared, okay? So y'all reaction at the back is gonna be my reaction, because I was literally just cutting. I wasn't even trying to make things even, so don't judge me. But it was still fun. It was just kind of fun to kind of try to create a different style with the unit nonetheless. And yeah, I'm not mad at it. Like before, I was like, I can't even go out with this unit on. Now, depending on what the back looks like. But in the front, I feel like I can actually go out in the world with my hair like this. Like, I really like it. It has a messy, sort of, you know, curly, wild look, but it's a look that's more me for sure. But yeah, I am definitely feeling my little look. Let me know what you guys think. Now, honey, like I said, don't judge my back, girl, okay? It's only so much I can do, okay? Don't judge me. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can see what the back looks like, and then we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Y'all, I am so interested to edit this video and see what that back looks like. I just need to know, girl. I need to know. And I have gotten hair all over me, and I'm getting red because that's just what I do. But yeah, I'm feeling it with this style. I'll honestly say, you know, it may be a unit for somebody. My friend Casey, these are like big hair, long units. That's her swag, and she's probably watching this video like, girl, I know you did not. I know you did not. You could have gave it to me, and that was fully my plan, because I've had this wig for maybe 3 months now. No lie. I put it on one day and was like, I can't do it, and took it off. But I had to do it. I had to give it a shot. And I feel like with curly units, they're really easy to cut. So keep in mind, I'm not nobody's beautician, so if I can do it, you can do it, honey. That's what we here for. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think of this unit. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box in case you are interested in copying her. And yeah, honey, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions on this look I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time.